Hey folks, this is Brett with Linda Local. This video is going to explain the keyword credit system and GeoGrid credit system for our location management platform. So anytime you're logged in to Linda Local's location management, in the top right you'll notice that you will see a number of keyword credits and a number of GeoGrid credits. So to explain how keyword credits work first, what you'll do is click into a location and go to keywords. In this case, we have 8 keywords, and there are 3 different types. There's local, organic, and organic mobile. So you'll see for 7 of these keywords, we're tracking all 3 types. And the 8th keyword, we're only tracking 2 types, local rank and organic mobile. So when you are adding keywords to track, let's just go ahead and put a few in. You enter them one by line, so we'll do that real quickly. We've got 6 keywords here, and if we select 2 types, local and organic mobile, that would mean that every week, because that's our check frequency, we would be using 12 keyword credits. You multiply the number of keywords by the types. If I selected organic as well, so now we have 3 types, we would be using 18 keyword credits every week. To be completely transparent, you have a lot of keyword credits. You will probably not run out of them. It's mathematically possible to do so if you add lots of keyword credits, and let's say maybe you set your check frequency to every 2 days. But in practice, it's very, very, very rare for someone to not have enough keyword credits. The GeoGrid search, when you are setting them up, let's go create a new one. The credits just depends on how many nodes you're using. So let me show you the nodes. So by default, a 13 by 13 is selected. You can choose different sizes. So if we go to 3 by 3, we'll be using less credits. You essentially just treat the grid size like a math problem. However many nodes appear is how many GeoGrid credits you'll use. So a 5 by 5 uses 25 credits. A 13 by 13 uses 169, 9 by 9 uses 81, and 7 by 7 uses 49. One thing to be aware of is you can disable nodes. So like right here, you see we've got some nodes over the water, and that data might not be particularly useful to us. So we will X out the nodes over water. And how many have we X'd out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 49 minus 22, this search would now use 37 credits. If I X out another one, it'd now be using 36. So it's for GeoGrid credits, it's the grid size minus any disabled grids. If you have questions about this, then you can contact our support. We'd be happy to go over it with you. With scheduled GeoGrid searches, because you can include more than one search term, so you can see here that this scheduled search has 3 search terms and this scheduled search also has 3 search terms. You can see how many credits your scheduled searches will use in this next creation column. So from any screen you're on in our location management, when you click into GeoGrid search, it will take you to the scheduled GeoGrid searches page. This next creation column shows you the usage every time it runs. So these are both set up as monthly searches. And you can see that both of them have 3 keywords and both of them are running 7 by 7 searches. The reason that this one uses 147, which is exactly 49 times 3, whereas this one only uses 141 credits, is because this scheduled GeoGrid search has some of the nodes disabled. In fact, that is the exact location that I just used as an example. And so if we go to 7 by 7, 1 mile, that search has some of these nodes over the water disabled. which is why it uses 141 credits instead of 147. If you have questions about this, like I said, please contact support. We'd be happy to get more in depth about this if we need to. That's going to do it for this video. Take care.